Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that's important for many people: how to prevent pregnancy after intercourse. It's crucial to have the right information to make informed choice about your sexual health. So, let's get started. What is emergency contraception? Emergency contraception, also known as the morning after pill, is a method that can help prevent pregnancy after unprotected intercourse. It's important to note that it's not a regular form of birth control and should only be used in emergencies. Why should you consider emergency contraception? Forgotten birth control. If you forgot to take your birth control pill or miss a contraceptive shot, you might need the emergency contraception. Condom breakage. If a condom breaks or slips off during sex, there's a risk of pregnancy. Unprotected sex. If you had sex without any form of contraception, it's a good idea to consider emergency contraception. Types of emergency contraception. Emergency contraceptive pill. There are different types of ECPs available over the counter at most pharmacies. They work by preventing or delaying ovulation. It's best to take them as soon as possible after unprotected sex, but they can be effective up to 72 hours. Copper intrauterine device. A healthcare provider can insert a copper IUD into your uterus within 5 days of unprotected sex. It's one of the most effective methods and can also be used as a regular form of contraception afterward. How to get emergency contraception? You can get emergency contraception from pharmacies. Most pharmacies sell ECPs over the counter without a prescription. Healthcare provider. They can prescribe ECPs or insert a copper IUD if needed. Important things to remember. Timing matters. The sooner you take emergency contraception, the more effective it is. Follow instruction. Read and follow the instructions that come with the product and given by your healthcare provider. Regular birth control. Remember, the emergency contraception is not a regular birth control method. Consider a more reliable form of contraception for ongoing protection. No STI protection. Emergency contraception does not protect against sexually transmitted infection. Always use condoms to reduce the risk of STIs. Consult a healthcare provider. If you have any questions or concern, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare provider or a family planning clinic. Emergency contraception can be a helpful option if you had unprotected intercourse and want to prevent pregnancy. Remember to act quickly. Follow the instruction carefully and consider a more reliable form of birth control for the future. Your sexual health is important, so make informed decisions and stay safe. This is it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And as always, if you have any question or topics you would like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.